Venkaiah Naidu, Vice President of India, will chair the 19th meeting of the SCO Council of Heads of Government to be hosted by India virtually on 30th November. For the first time, India is hosting this summit, which will have prime ministers from the SCO member states of Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan as members. 4 representatives from observer states Afghanistan, Iran, Belarus, and Mongolia will also participate, with Turkmenistan as a special guest. India became a permanent member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in 2017. India has particularly focused on creating 3 new pillars of cooperation: startups and innovation, science and technology, and traditional medicine. India has also organized the first ever SCO Scientist Conclave, first ever consortium of SCO economic think tanks, first ever SCO Startup Forum, and the first SCO Business Enclave. On the cultural humanitarian side, India will be hosting the first ever SCO digital exhibition on shared Buddhist heritage by the National Museum, to be inaugurated on 30th November, translation of 10 classics of Indian literature into Russian and Chinese languages, and India has also proposed to host the SCO Food Festival in 2021. India aims to further strengthen greater trade, economic and cultural cooperation within SCO, foster greater peace and prosperity in the region, and aid in overcoming the economic challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. In the 20th summit of the SCO Council of Heads of State held on November 10, PM Modi came face-to-face, albeit virtually, with Chinese President and Pakistan PM for the first time since the border standoff between China and India. Modi, during his speech, said that all member nations should respect each other's territorial integrity. It was a stern message to China and Pakistan given their infiltration attempts. He also added that it is unfortunate that there are unnecessary attempts to bring bilateral issues in the SCO agenda, which is in violation of SCO Charter and Shanghai Spirit. Meant to maintain peace and resolve global and financial issues affecting the region, SCO's charter asks of the member countries not to bring in bilateral issues in the agenda. Russia supported Prime Minister Narendra Modi's stance. As in the previous summit, PM Modi took a stance against discussing bilateral issues. Hence, in the upcoming summit, India will most likely not encourage any attempts of bilateral discussions on Indo-Pak and Indo-China issues.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।